Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Canva to create YouTube thumbnails step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type www.canva.com into the address bar and press enter. On the Canva homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see options to log in using email, Google, or Facebook. If you have an account already, enter your email address and password in the provided fields. Click the login button after entering your credentials. If you prefer to log in with Google, click on the Google option. A pop-up will appear asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account linked to Canva to continue. For Facebook login, click on the Facebook option and follow the prompt to log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Canva dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type YouTube thumbnail into the search bar and press enter. You will see a variety of YouTube thumbnail templates to choose from. Scroll through the templates and select one that suits your needs. Click on the chosen template to open it in the editor. Now you can customize your thumbnail using text, images, and other design elements. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the download button at the top right corner. Select your preferred file format from the drop-down menu. Then click the download button again to save your thumbnail to your device. You are now ready to use your new YouTube thumbnail for your video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.